Hello grade 6, I hope you are fine, and today we're gonna continue our revision sheet revising. We have stopped last time in number 20 and we're gonna start from number 21. I'm gonna finish the revision sheet for you in that video. The value of all goods and services produced in a country in a single year is the gross domestic product. And just to remind you, gross domestic product is this all the products that one country is producing in 1 year, or the value of what is produced in one country in 1 year. These productions can be goods, can be services. Number 22, the United States has what kind of market they have? Do they have command economy or market economy? Of course, they have market economy. Number 23, the level of industry concerned with research and distribution of information is quaternary. And to remind you quickly about quaternary industry, this kind of industry that is making jobs in universities. This industry produces doctors, engineers, teachers, police officers, and so on. Number 24, most citizens work in primary industry in developing countries. And developing countries, it's the poor countries, and the people, or most of the people in these developing or poor countries, are working in the primary industry, farming, fishing, or getting the raw materials. Number 25, because of globalization, global trade is quicker and easier, businesses are more connected, popular culture is shared, or all of the above. Of course, all of the above. Number 26, the reliance on one country on the resources, goods, or services of another country is called interdependence. And interdependence, when countries depend on each other. If, for example, one country doesn't have some kind of production or some service that they don't have, they can get it from other countries. That's interdependence. Which of the following is not a humanitarian organization? And humanitarian organization is this kind of organization that helps people in the time of crisis. Of course, it is gross domestic product. Why? Doctors, humanitarian organization, United Nations, of course, it is part of it, and International Red Cross also part of it. Number 28, humanitarian organizations help by providing all of the above: aid victims, aid to refugees, medical attention to people who need help. So, number 29, what region of the United States is the most densely populated? And as we see here on that K of the map, we will find this black stripes here. As we see, it represents the high population, and where we can find it, we can find it here in that part of the northeast here. Then we have number 30, is a measure of the number of people living in an area, population density. What is increasingly ties countries together through culture and trade? It is globalization. Number 32, industries process and distribute information. Of course, I told you before, it is quaternary. And some of you will ask me, what does mean distributing information? I'll tell you that When we talk about like the people, how they learn to be doctors, for example, they need to be, yes, qualified to be doctors. So that's kind of distributing the information. Like the country has a lot of information about medicine. Who will hold this information? A lot of information about many things, and they distribute this information to the people who later will have to work with it and make it useful for the community. Number 33. The people elect leaders and rule by majority in a, of course, democracy. All the activities that people and businesses do to earn a living are part of the economy. The percentage of natural increase in the space minus the death rate, it is birth rate. We have many times said that how to calculate the natural increase, birth rate minus death rate. Number 36. In the space economy, trade may take place through barter. It is traditional economy. What kind of economy? Trade may take place through barter. It is traditional economy. Number 37. About a space of the world's people live in developing countries. 2/3. 2/3. 38. An organization of the world's countries that promotes peace and around the world is the United Nations. So that's the last question, number 38. So the whole revision sheet is just 38 questions. Thank you very much for your listening, and if you have any question, please ask me or send me a message on WhatsApp. Have a great time and good luck.